In this video, I'm going to be showing you my top AI picks for this upcoming bull run, both on Ethereum and Solana. So let's get started. The first one being QU3 AI. Now this is my main bet. This is my most comfortable hold. I really think this team, with what they're producing, is going to be very, very big. In the world of AI, one of the biggest problems with AI agents is that they're running on vulnerable software. And what QU3 are building are MCP servers. Now, MCP servers are the latest thing in AI. They stand for Model Context Protocol, and they act as a translator connecting AI models to external tools and data sources. So as you can see here by the recent videos just a month ago, and here MCP explained the new standard for connecting AI to everything made just last month. This is a brand new thing in the world of AI, which is huge. It's completely changing things up. That is what QU3 are building, MCP servers to run everything on in terms of AI. So this is a big deal because they are quantum. So they are quantum proof, which means as quantum computing comes into play, these servers are going to still be secure. Now, as you can see here on the QU3 Twitter page, 84% of AI tools have already been breached. Over 51% face credential thefts risk right now. So this is a massive problem in AI, and QU3 are solving that with their quantum proof MCP servers. You can see here this guy Adit Seth is a very big person in the space of AI, and he made a tweet saying this is literally the only guide you need to build securely with AI. And he's listed a bunch of things, and then he said, here's the link if you want to solve your security issues, and he's linked the QU3 servers. So clearly already QU3 is getting much recognition in the AI space as the go-to protocol for creating MCP servers to securely build AI. Here you can see a little more about the problem that they're solving. What happens when every AI agent talks to every app? Essentially, it runs security risks, because when systems talk to every tool, things break. You end up with duplicated logic, overlapping configs, and integrations you can't manage. And that's where QU3 comes in. Instead of wiring every agent or backend directly to every internal app, QU3 introduces a single execution layer in the middle called MCP. MCP acts as a sealed, controlled bridge that handles all task routing, applies runtime policies, isolates inputs, signs results, and communicates with your system securely. Each tool connects once, each model connects once, everything else happens inside the MCP. So very technical what they're building. These guys are tech wizards. It's amazing tech what these guys are rolling out. QU3 is one of my main AI bets and is still sitting at sub 10 mil. I entered this one initially at around 2 mil, and then I filled up my main bag at about 6 mil. So I'm planning to ride this one up to 100 mil market cap easily. I think without a shadow of a doubt it gets there. Amazing team, amazing tech. The next project that I want to talk about is Astra AI. Now Astra AI are building sort of an all-in-one solution to crypto products run by AI. I think what they're building is very interesting. It's an ecosystem connecting AI, blockchain, and finance. At Astra AI, we harness the newest technologies to craft superior AI-driven crypto applications. And you can see this is what they're building. So it's an ecosystem that contains Astra Bank, an AI suite, a Dex AI, Stellar AI, which is a search engine, Spider bot, a trading bot, an AI web assistant, Spectra bot to track influencers and uncover trends before they take off, Sunray bot, which boosts volume and revenue, Starlight bot to simplify KOL and project management. So they've got a whole lot of applications that they're planning to roll out, and they've already rolled out quite a few of these. So in Q1 they launched their metal cards. They've also launched copy trading, the Spider sub website. They've done their round 1 of tier 1 listings, ambassador onboarding, and over $250,000 worth of buybacks. Now in Q2, which we're currently in, they've already launched the Astra Bank dashboard and the Astra AI researcher, as well as the Astra AI token audit. So you can also see what's staged and ready to come. And they've already launched out Astra Bank corporate cards that was meant to be coming out in Q3. So they've got a whole load of things coming out, which I'm very excited for: Astrobank mobile app, a DEX rental market, AstroDex launchpad, AI agents, Astra eSIM cards. They literally have everything. These guys are building one hell of an ecosystem. And if you scroll down and you look about the team, our advisory team includes experts from renowned institutions such as BlackRock and Tether, ensuring top-tier strategic guidance with a robust team of around 200 professionals working remotely, internally, and freelance. So this is big. They've also partnered with OpenAI, Google Cloud, CoinGecko, AWS, that's Amazon servers, Intel, and Nvidia. So this could be one hell of a project if they manage to roll all of these things out. Now, another bet that I've placed is on PrivX. So PrivX is an EVM compatible blockchain designed to prioritize privacy, security, and anonymity within a unified ecosystem. So this is a new blockchain. I know there's a lot of blockchains out there, but this one is focused on privacy and using AI. So what I quite like about this is these guys are shipping. These guys are building quite a lot of features, and the market cap of this one is still very low. You can see all of their features that they're doing right here, and the market cap is just 2 million. It's already survived the initial downtrend since launch, and since then it's managed to reclaim all-time highs. Also on their Twitter page, they've already rolled out a few different partnerships, and it's followed by a few notable people at still a very low market cap. So this one is more of a small bet of mine. Once Ethereum really starts rallying towards all-time high and altcoins start to go crazy, especially the AI sector, we all know that's going to move the most. And this is just kind of like a small little bet on a new chain. It might fail, however, it might do well. It's one of those types of plays. Next, taking a look at some Solana plays, I quite like Julia OS. Now, Julia OS is building a swarm of intelligence, a swarm of AIs, AI agents. I know we've all heard that term a lot, but this is the next thing. This is the next big wave of AI. AI agents are really here to take over and control almost everything that we do and make business and really all areas of our lives much more efficient. So this is the next generation of AI swarm operating systems, limitless scaling, max efficiency, and bulletproof security. They're building an open source framework tailored to AI agents and swarms. The future of crypto is autonomous. Are you ready? They've already managed to do a whole lot of impressive things in just 1 month of launch. They've already locked 30% of the supply. It was already listed on MEXC and BitGet just after 1 day of launch. They've managed to secure some really nice partnerships already. You can see they've partnered with Fetch AI, which is a massive crypto project, one of the biggest names in AI. They've already had some articles published, and Tensor Labs has started to build on Julia OS. They've also been listed on XT fully unsolicited. Ether Cloud partnership, which is huge, as you can see, 811k followers. They're trying to onboard the Chinese market. As you can see, an article was published for 15k Chinese devs and a new dev for integrations and Chinese translation. So they're really trying to step into the Chinese market. As we know, the Chinese market for crypto is huge. There's a lot of money in China investing in crypto. They have an Anyone Foundation partnership, another big name in the privacy AI deepin sector, and they've already been mentioned by Coinbase. They have a bounty program live with a $1 million reward. That's how serious these guys are about what they're building. Kevin Rage, ex-Apple and Meta, joins as lead brand ambassador, and the dApp is now in alpha testing. So I think the swarm is in fact taking over, and what Julia OS are building with the team that they've got could be huge. Taking a look at the chart as well, it has been very steady, trending nicely up and to the right. This one you can buy on Solana. Another project that I really like that I'm looking into at the moment is Knet. Now, Knet is an AI-powered Web3 game collaboration platform, and this is a real-life company. And you'll be surprised what I'm about to tell you next. Knet is a Chinese Hong Kong company, and their market cap, their valuation of their company is 34 billion. Yes, that's right. $34 billion market cap. This is their stock price right here, and you can see their company has been doing very, very well. So this is a game development company. a Chinese-based online game company that focuses on development, operation, and publishing of various types of games, including mobile, web, and PC games. KingNet also operates games platforms like mobile app and distribution platforms, and is known for developing games like League of Blue Moon, MU Miracle, and Figure Story. So I believe these are some quite big games, and this is a very serious company, and they have now launched KingNet AI, which is their crypto token, and you can see their website here. They are reconstructing game development paradigms with natural language, so using AI, multi-agent collaborative system, input instructions, generative assets, and output playbook prototype. So you can see here their game workshop and what they're building using artificial intelligence. Very interesting stuff, and they've also secured a whole lot of partnerships already. Being the massive company that they are, I don't think this is any surprise. This one had an incredible launch. I managed to get this one very, very early. I had some alpha, and I managed to get this one at around 1 to 2 million market cap. However, judging by the size of the company, that it's worth $34 billion, and this is sitting at just 11 mil market cap, I do believe this one can go way higher. Now, lastly, another pick that I've got on Solana in the AI sector is Qstream. So Qstream is quite an interesting one. These guys have been building since February, and you can see they had a very good launch, and then it dropped down and was pretty much just stable at around the 1 million market cap after launch for some months, and now it has recently just started to take off again. So these guys are building quantum encryption solutions to all industries. The first OTP grade quantum irrelevant security stack that protects critical systems across finance, government, healthcare, defense, blockchains, and beyond. So these guys are really trying to build out a whole lot here to do with 504-bit quantum hardness. And again, I like this because it fits into the current narrative of AI and quantum computing. That is the next stage. That is where we're going to. That is where we're heading. So companies that are working to build solutions to this upcoming tech, I want to place some bets on. And what's really interesting about these guys is if you look at the team, Adrian Neal, the CEO, is a 2-time winner of the NATO Defense Innovation Challenge, which is crazy, which is an internationally recognized cybersecurity and cryptographics expert, and currently holds the position of senior director. Also, while primarily advising governments, defense organizations, and global multinationals on post-quantum readiness, so you can see this guy's clearly qualified, he is also a cybersecurity advisor regarding CBDC, particularly in respect to the social and economic risks from future post-quantum cryptographic instability. So this guy seems to know his stuff, and he is a graduate of Oxford University, from which he has received a master's degree in software engineering and began his career at IBM in the mid-80s, followed by a decade in the City of London, departing in '98 for Zurich to join UBS Warburg as the first cryptographics expert, while becoming a member of the International Association for Cryptology Research, IACR. So this guy has been around the block. This guy is extremely qualified, and he has held positions in key financial industries such as banking, insurance, financial markets, energy, pharma, IT, aviation, and telecoms across 8 countries in over 3 continents. So the fact that he's from Oxford University and has done all of this, this guy is a gigabrain, and you want to bet on gigabrain people. So that is why I've put a small bet on Qstream. If you like my picks and you found this video useful, please leave a like rating, comment if you're in any of these or you've got any questions, or also comment what you guys are in. What coins are you trading? What are you holding for the long term for this bull run? And if you want to see more videos like this, more AI picks and other coins that I'm investing in, subscribe to see more videos like this one.